Hi everyone, today I'm gonna explain what program I'm working on. So I'm working on a program that accepts a year from a user and determine if the year is a leap year. If it is a leap year, then I'll print the year you enter is a leap year. And if the year is not a leap year, then print the year you enter is not a leap year. So let's run. And I first start by writing the IOStream library for input and output operation, and including the library using namespace std. So I start by declaring a variable to store the year, which is an integer and year. So the program will prompt the user to enter a year and then read the year from the user, and we'll check if the year is a leap year by using the if condition. So if the year you enter divided by 4 is 0 and the same year divided by 100 is not 0, then it's a leap year. Or the year divided by 400 is 0, it's a leap year. So it can be one or other, and this is actually the modulo sign, which means the year divided by 400 has no remainder, which is 0. So when the condition is one condition is true, it will print the year you enter plus the year is a leap year. Or if the condition is not true, it will print the year you enter is not a leap year. So let's run the program to see what is done. We will first go in our working directory, which is week 4. Then this lab here. So let's compile. So the program prompts us to enter a year. Let's enter a year. Let's enter 2026. It says the year you enter is not a leap year. Let's check with the calculator. Let's check one condition with the calculator. 2026 divided by 4 is, so here we have a reminder. When you see a floating point, that means it has a reminder. This is not a modulo. And let's check the first condition, and let's check the second. This is already 4, because when it says and, that means both have to be true. If this one is already not true, that means we can't even continue. So we agree. So let's check with another here. Let's enter 2024. So 2024 is a leap year, which means the year you enter 2024 is a leap year. Let's check with our calculator to see. Divided by 24 equals, so it gives us a number with no float in point. That means the first condition is true. Let's check the second condition. 4 divided by 100. So the second condition is true. It says we divided by 100 is not 0. So here we have 0. Thank you. That's all. Thank you for watching.